tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man.
No, not this again, man. This is, Well, what's up, Hot Wheels boys? It's your boy DCS right here in the weekend with the Short Wheels series. So this time, I've got a pickup truck, guys. Yes, a cool pickup truck. Not so very cool, actually. It's got 10 out of 10 in Chevy Hot Trucks, not the same as the Hot Wheels frame. This is the 69 Chevy Pickup. Okay, I've seen the same body design somewhere else. Right, it's right here. The little red express truck, guys. Yes, it's the 1978 Dodge Express truck. It's got some dust over it. So yeah, it's got the same body design. Like, oh my god, so similar. Even front too. It matches so much. That's really cool, I guess. Well, yeah, for more of my details, let's just unbox this car. Yeah, let's just unbox it, guys. Let's go for the unboxing right now. And now, looking at the 69 Chevy Pickup, guys, it has a really cool design. Like at the front, yeah, it misses the headlamps, like completely misses the headlamps, and the tail lamps are not seen again. Well, the exhaust is at the back, which is not so impressive. This is how it looks at the bottom. Well, yeah, this is pretty nice. I mean, the gloss, the paint is pretty nice. Love the military color. And the interior is also okay-ish, like the tint, not so much, but yeah, the blue tint is also fine compared to other colors. So that's about it in this car, guys. It's combed out at the bottom. Oh, yeah. And I totally forgot to mention, yeah, the full Hot Wheels series which I uploaded last week, the 57 Chevy, yes, the quiz answer will be in the comment box, guys, so check it out. Alright, now for the short info. Here we go! Of the pickup, obviously. Hey, it's the short info of the Chevy Pickup truck, guys. Well, talking about its top speed. Oh, that's funny, I don't have the top speed because, yeah, it is a pickup truck, guys, so I couldn't find the top speed of the truck. Well, moving on to the engine is a 280 cubic inch 6-cylinder. Actually, they're a VH2, but this is the standard engine. And the horsepower produced by the 6-cylinder is not bad, 155 horsepower. That's kind of okay, I guess. Well, that is the short info, guys. I hope you guys liked it. And also, the thing which I showed in the beginning of the video, yes, that's my channel's views and watch time. I hope you guys can, like, you know, at least share my videos to your friends and family more, so that I can, you know, at least keep my channel alive. Well, thank you for all your support, though, like, for all your support that you have given me till now. So, stay tuned for the next videos, guys. See you till then. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.